Good morning, everyone. This is Akash, the mathematics teacher. Welcome to another video of mathematics. And in the previous video, we discussed about the second lesson of the mathematics, and today we will continue that lesson. And in the previous video, we discussed some basics about fractions, and in this video, we will discuss about the multiplication of fractions, how to do multiplication of fractions. And before going to the chapter, let me remind you one thing. Please make sure you are using your headphones while listening, and keep your books and notebooks ready with you. If all these things are ready, then without wasting any time, let's continue to our lesson. And today we'll discuss about multiplication of fractions. So let's go. Now, before going to multiplication, let us just remind whatever the basics of multiplication we have studied. Okay, look, suppose I have 2 into 4. Now, what is the basic thing? 2 into in the 2 into 4. Now, 2 into 4, it means 2 is multiplied with 4. It means 2 will be added with 2 4 times. It means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 is added with 2 4 times. Now 2 into 4 is 8, and the value of this one is also 8. Okay. Now if we do the same thing with fractions. Now in this video we will learn about when a fraction, when a whole number is multiplied with a fraction. Okay, in this video we'll learn basics about when a whole number is multiplied with fraction. Now what is a whole number? Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. All these are whole numbers. When whole number is multiplied with fraction, suppose I have 2 into 1 by 3. Now 2 into 1 by 3, or we can say this as 1 by 3 into 2. It means 1 by 3 is multiplied with 2. It means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 times 1 by 3 is there. Okay, now we do the simple addition. 3, 1 plus 1, which will be equal to 2 divided by 3. Now, if we do the same with multiplication, 2 into 1 by 3, which will be equal to 2 will be multiplied with 1, that is 2 by 3. Now look, while doing the multiplication of fractions, we will multiply the denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. It means suppose a by b is multiplied with c by d, then a will be multiplied with c and b will be multiplied with d. Now, if it 2 into 1 by 3, now 2, we know 2 means 2 by 1 into 1 by 3, right? So it will be equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Similarly, if we have 4 into 5 by 6, what will be the result? It will be 4 by 1 into 5 by 6. It will be equal to 4 into 5, it means 20 by 6. So this is the basics of multiplication. In this way, fraction is multiplied. And in the video, we will learn about when a whole number is multiplied with a fraction. Okay, we will learn the method and some examples about how a whole number is multiplied with fractions. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. Look, here in the screen you can see a picture. Here 3 is multiplied with 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 means 1 is a complete thing is there, and that is divided in 3 parts. Now 2 parts is taken. 2 parts is taken out of complete 3, right? So 3 into 2 by 3 means this is added with this 3 times. Now, how many covered phases are there? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means 6 covered phases are there, so it will be 6 divided by 3. Now we know the basics of multiplication. 3 into 2 by 3 means 3 by 1 into 2 by 3 means 6 by 3. Now we know 6 by 3 means what? 2, because 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, 6 by 3 is 2. Okay, so the result will be 2. Okay. Now let us see some examples. 5 into 6 by 7, it means 5 by 1 into 6 by 7. Okay, 5 into 6 is 30 by 7 into 1 is 7. So the answer is 30 by 7. Now 8 into 2 by 5. We can write 8 as 8 by 1 into 2 by 5. Now 8 into 2 is 16 divided by 5. Now 11 into 5 by 6. We can write 11 as 11 by 1 into 5 by 6. So it will be 11 into 5. What is 11 into 5? It is 55 by 6. Okay. Similarly, 9 into 8 by 9. 9, we can write 9 as 9 by 1 into 8 by 9. Now 9 into 8 is 72. So the answer will be 72 divided by 9. So the basic thing is there only. Okay, while multiplying a whole number with fraction. While any type of multiplication with including a fraction, be it a whole number or any fraction, then the numerator will be multiplied with numerator and the denominator will be multiplied with denominator. Okay. Now suppose you are asked to find 2 by 3 of 30. 2 by 3 of 30. It means what is the total number? 30. So it will be found out like this: 2 by 3 into 30, or 30 into 2 by 3. It will be 60 by 3. 60 by 3 means 20, because 3 went 20, so it is 20. Similarly, if you have to find 4 by 5, 4 by 5 of 50, so it will be equal to 50 into 4 by 5. Now 5, 50 is got 10. 10 into 4 is 40. Okay. Now using this, we will see an example. Okay. Later we will see an example. Let us see this type of example. Which of the given models resembles 3 into 1 by 9? It means which of there are two pictures you can say. Okay. One is A and the second one is B. Which one shows 3 into 1 by 9? Okay, look. 3 into 1 by 9 means 3 by 9. Okay. 3 into 1 by 9 means 3 by 9. Now, look at the first picture. There are 9 tiles and out of 3 is taken. So, this is the correct. Okay. Now, let us see, go to the another example. Let us read, you can see on the screen. Let us read out the question first. In a class of 40 students, it means total students. Okay. Whatever the data are there, the very first thing we have to do, we have to write the data. So, total students are 40. In a class of 40 students, 1 by 5 total like to study English. Okay. 2 by 5 like math and the remaining like science. Now, first we have to find the number of students in each subject. How many students like each subject? Okay. Now, how many like English? English is how much? 1 by 5. So we have to find 1 by 5 of 40. It means 40 into 1 by 5, which will be equal to 40 by 5 means 8. Okay. So total student would like to study English is 8. Now math. How many like to study math? 2 by 5 like to study math. So we have to find 2 by 5 of 40. 40 into 2 by 5. Now it will be equal to 5 when caught with 40, it gives 8. So 8 into 2 is 16. Okay. So total number of like to study math is 16. Now remaining like science, it means out of 40, 8 like English, 16 like math. It means we have to find the remaining. So science is equal to 16 minus, sorry, science will be total is 40. 40 minus 16 plus 8, right? 40 minus 16 plus 8. So look at to 40 minus 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay. The answer will be 16. So 16 students like to study science. Okay. You have look here what I did here. we found out the fractions of whole numbers. Okay, total was 40. We first we found 1 by 5 of 40, then 2 by 5 of 40, then the remaining. Okay, now as of your this is it for these instructions are for this video only. Now using these instructions you can do the exercise 2.2. okay, it is very easy, the exercise 2.2. You all try this. Even if there is some doubt, then I will be there to help you. Okay, so do the homework and send it to me. Even if there is some doubt, also send it to me. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, stay happy, and enjoy your studies in home. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Thank you very much.